Hi everyone. Wanted to do my layout share for April. I only got 6 layouts done. It was a pretty busy month with weddings and volleyball tournaments and showers. So I only got 6 done, but I'm happy I got these 6 done. So I thought with my layout share, I would also do some Tuesday morning haul that I got and just kind of go through what scraps I have left from my Secret Not Secret Kit Club for papers. My goal was to use them all up before May. I did a pretty good job. I still have some left to go, but I'm really happy with my progress. I thought I'd share that with you as well tonight. So this first one, I did not use a sketch for. This is my daughter. She's last day of elementary school, 8th grade, and we had a picnic, and so I enlarged the photo, and then I took the little photos and tucked them in so I could kind of have little snippets of the whole day put in there. This is the Secret Not Secret Kit Club paper. I believe this is as well. And then the rest is discount paper that I got from Joann Fabrics. This here I just pulled from my scrap bin. This as well. And I put some texture on it with the plus signs. But I really liked how this came out because I didn't use a sketch on it, and I just kind of put it together on my own. So I was happy with that one. This one, I used Christie's Beautiful Life 31 Days of Sketches. I think this one is from this year. I used this one. And this is my December, from my December kit. It was based on Maggie Holmes. I got a lot of Maggie Holmes on that. The ribbon, it reminded me of like a bird's nest, so when I had the birds on it. The doily, the wood veneers I added, and the snowman I added. But I turned this to the sepia, the picture, because of all the conflicting colors, because her coat is actually magenta. So I did a little pull out, so the colored picture is there because that's one of our favorite pictures. And this is an envelope that I bought. They were discounted on deep clearance, and they're wood grain, and I just figured I could use that as a pocket or layering. So, but everything else is pretty much from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. So I really liked how that one came out. I love the birds. So there's that. This one, I used the Rediscover Your Stash Part 3. This was a drawing that was in it, and this is what I came up with. This is the layout that had texture paint on it. We were talking on the Facebook page about that today. So I completed the whole layout, and then I said, I'm going to try this texture paste and do the snowflakes. So I was tentative because my whole page was done and I didn't want to mess it up. So I did use it, and I will definitely be a little more daring next time I use it. I did like the texture paste. So that will be in my scrapbooking arsenal. But this is a picture of my daughter, and my husband's like, oh, I want to try and draw a picture, and this was his first portrait that he had drawn. So it came out really good. He's gotten better since then, but for his first attempt, this was totally awesome. And this is all Secret Not Secret Kit Club. This is my December daily from November. I think this one was as well, that I didn't use. The purple is the only thing that did not come from my kit as far as papers. This was Christie's Beautiful Life sketch 1. I think that's from this year as well. And this is my 1 canoe, 2 canoe kit, the papers that I used. Pretty much all of it. This heart I had. This was from my very first kit I got from Christina. The embellishments here, I pulled those in. That was from a Tuesday morning purchase. But this is my daughter when she was little and I would have to work. She would do my hair or pretend like she was helping me do work. So that was fun to scrapbook that because this is from a couple years ago, 10 years ago probably. So that's cool. This one I did from a sketch from Heather Little's book. So Christina had posted that I think over the scrap weekend, and I did purchase it, and this was my first layout from using that, but I can't show you the sketch obviously because I purchased it. So but this is my daughter's. Last year we go to a big tournament, and we hang out, and this is just the pre-tournament where we stopped for lunch with the friends, and just had a good time, hung out. So, and then this is the second page of that, which this is us at the tournament having dinner. A Comic-Con was going on, and these Scooby-Doo, Scrappy, Scooby-Doo, Thelma, and can't remember who the other one, Daphne, they won first prize at Comic-Con for costumes. So they were kind of walking through, and they took the pictures with the girls, which I thought was neat. So I really like this. This paper is old, so old. I bought it so long ago, and I finally used it up. So I'm really happy about that. Most of this is from my stash, actually. I don't think I had anything. Maybe one of the polka dots was from the stash, and then that's it. So there's that. And then I wanted to show you, I was just so excited, so I kind of wanted to share with you that I went to Tuesday Morning, and things that I picked up that I was shocked that they had. They had the thickers, the letter guides. They had the Vicky Bouton Wonder Tool. Let's see. These birds from Studio Calico I thought were awesome. They're little wood veneer birds, all different here, all different shapes. And I love putting birds on my page. This as well, this was $5.49. So these are usually like 20 bucks, even if you get 50% off at Michael's or whatever, that's still 10. So I'm still ahead of the game. So I got one of those. Maggie Home stickers, the gold stickers. Awesome. So, I mean, Tuesday Morning's really coming along. I mean, they have simple stories. A lot of the name brand stuffs. We like to hike a lot. So, and when my daughter's in Girl Scouts, we camped a lot. So, that's cool. And then I also found this thing, which I thought, wow, this would be a really good idea to do on a scrapbook page. So this is really thick because it's a frame and it's like supposed to sit on your desk. But I got it because I like the whole idea of the flip outs. And so, and there's a pocket, and then this flips up, and then this flips over. So I'm thinking that I might do this on one of my pages, and that way I can get, you know, more pictures and more journaling on my page. So I bought that as an example, so I didn't forget. And that was $4.99. It was $5, but you know, if I can use that on pages, and oh, we did get stickers with it too. So, so that's cool. And then the other thing I purchased were these Project Life cards. They were $9.99. Now I don't know if these were a good deal or not, but I liked them. So I don't know if you can see them with the, but here, maybe the back is better. Yeah. So I got this one, and then they also had an Amy Tangerine one, which has the cards, which I thought was awesome. So I'm very excited to use those, even if I just use these cards for documenting. You know, I'm okay with that. I'm fine with that. But so, and then the other thing I wanted to show you was my scraps that I had left over, because I'm kind of proud of myself. So this is my September kit. This is the papers that I have left over. I mean, this is it. So that's pretty darn good. I think this was my September kit. I might be wrong on that one, but yeah. So that's it. I know I have a 6x6 that I haven't used, but that's in my stash to be used. I've already got it ready for a layout. Then this is my October kit, which I mean, this is hardly anything. So I'll use this one for vacation this year. So that's that one. And then my December daily, even better yet. This is all I have left. That was my November kit. So, and these, you know, I'm going to be able to use these with no problem. And then there's just red. Then this one, I love this gold paper. I used it on a lot of stuff. This is the Maggie Holmes one that was December. And I used that a lot in March. And then the last is One Canoe, Two Canoe. This is it. I really enjoyed this kit. This was fun. Real fun kit that I used pretty much everything, as you can see. And then the only thing that I have left is my February kit, which is based on Case of the Blahs. And I've got those set up with pictures. I put the pictures together with the papers. So I'm going to start working on layouts on that as well. Hopefully in May, and I'll be able to use up that kit. So with the 100 days of you know, crafting, I've been in my craft room each day. I've been either organizing, putting stuff together, laying down layouts. So I've got a lot accomplished, even though I only got 6 layouts done. But I'm happy with what I did get done, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and have a great night. Bye-bye.